When we talk about the future of smartphones, I believe foldable phones are going to play a huge role. But as of now, only few brands offer consumer grade foldable phones. Samsung is one of those brands which offers great consumer grade foldables. Samsung launched their first foldable phone on 2019 and now they are back with their 4th generation foldables, Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Z Fold 4. In this video, we are going to see unboxing and quick review of Galaxy Z Flip 4. As usual, let's not waste the time, we'll directly jump into the video. First, let's unbox the device. This is the box of Galaxy Z Flip. On front, they mentioned Flip, Galaxy Z Flip 4. On the back, price and box contents are mentioned. Let's cut the seal and open the box. Let's take out the phone and remove the wrapper. Let's turn on the phone. On top, there is one more small box which has SIM ejector tool, user manual, warranty card, and one Type-C charging cable. Next, let's talk about built-in design. The phone has Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection and the side frames are made up of armored aluminum. When the phone is folded, it's 17.1 mm thickness. When it is unfolded, it's 6.9 mm thickness. The phone weighs overall 187 gram and it have IPX8 water resistance. Compared to previous generation Flip, just they made it square and flatter edges. And they reduced the size of inch too. The Galaxy Z4 Flip is little narrow and shorter. The phone is tested with 200K foldable operations, so soon there won't be any issue with the display or hinge. And finally, phone comes on 4 color variant: graphite, bora purple, pink gold and blue. Also there is special Bespoke Edition. You can have some predefined color customization options too. Next, when it comes to display, Z Flip 4 have two display, one main display and another cover display. The main display is 6.7 inch Full HD plus AMOLED 2x display with 120Hz refresh rate and the peak brightness goes up to 1200 nits. Both on the indoor and outdoor usage, the display is clear and visible. Even on the direct sunlight, there is no issue with the display. And the phone has HDR10 plus support and the aspect ratio is 21.9:9. Next, when it comes to external display, we have 1.9 inch Super AMOLED display with resolution of 512x260. Also, the cover screen have few more options compared to Z Fold 3. We'll look into that shortly. Next, when it comes to ports and button, on left we have a SIM tray with one SIM slot and we have one eSIM support. On bottom we have mic, Type-C port, speaker grill. When we talk about the speaker, the phone have stereo speakers, the earpiece acts as a secondary speaker. On right we have volume rocker key and power button. Finally, on the top we have a secondary noise cancellation mic. When it comes to security, we have side mounted fingerprint sensor which is integrated with power button. Also, we have a face unlock option. Both are fast and accurate. When it comes to camera, the Z4 comes with dual rear camera, 12 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8 and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with 123-degree field of view. On front, we have 10 megapixel selfie camera with aperture 2.4. On the main camera, the pixel size has been improved. The picture output is 65% brighter than the previous generation. Next, when it comes to video, both front and back, you can record max at 60 fps. And the main camera have enhanced OIS and video image stabilization. Also, it has AI stereo depth map. Using cover screen on Flip Future, we can use our camera innovatively. We'll be showing that shortly. Next, when it comes to processor, the phone comes with latest flagship chip Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. The chip performs really great and there is nothing that this phone can't handle. When it's come to heating, they done really great job compared to previous generation, but still we felt it has to improve a lot. Other than that, the chip performs really great. We didn't found even single stutter or lag on the device. Next, when it comes to RAM and storage, the phone has US of 3.1 storage and LPDDR5X RAM. You have two options, 8/128GB and 8/256GB. Next, when it comes to software, the phone runs on One UI 4.1.1 on top of Android 12. The last security patch received was on July. And the brand promises 4 years of OS update and 5 years of security update. As I already said, there are lots of features using Flip and cover screen. Here are some features. On cover screen, you can set multiple wallpapers, including some animative wallpapers, and you can set your own video as a wallpaper too. On cover screen, there are lots of widgets option. You can control music, set alarm, you can use stop timer, you can change your earbud setting, and few other things. If you swipe left, you can access your notification. Now you can respond to your messages directly from cover screen itself. You can use your main camera to take selfie by using cover screen. By double tapping the power button, you can open the camera on cover screen. By showing your palm, you can take photo or you can just press volume button. Also, when you are taking photo, by using the cover screen, the person who you are taking the photo can also see what you are taking. Also, there is a flex mode on lab. By enabling it, whenever you are opening app and doing a fold, the bottom area of the phone will give specific option to control the particular application. For example, if you open music, if you fold the phone, bottom you can control your music, increase volume, reduce volume, or you can go to next or previous song. Also, if you open gallery, if you are seeing a photo, if you fold, now trackpad will appear. From here itself, you can change next pic or previous pic. You can zoom in or zoom out. Also, if you swipe from two finger from the bottom, you can use split screen option. Now on the cover screen itself, you can take portrait mode. Just open the camera and swipe left. Now you can take portrait mode photos. If you swipe right, now you can take videos. After opening the camera, if you double tap the cover screen, now you can see the full view of photo which you are taking. These are the few key features. Other than this, the phone have lots of features to explore. Next, when it comes to battery and charging, Thanks to the smaller hinge, the battery has been increased from 3300 to 3700 mAh. Also, the phone has 25 watts fast charging support. It has wireless and reverse wireless charging support too. The brand promises 50% of charge from 30 minutes of charging. Overall, to conclude it, since there is no major competition, Samsung didn't brought lots of improvement to the phone. Compared to Z Flip 3, Z Flip 4 has very minor improvements. But other than that, if you generally look at flip phones, it's a thing of future and Samsung is doing it really well. But if you ask flippies for general public, I would say no, because of the price. Still, the price is too high. Probably as of now, flip phones are for tech enthusiasts and people who can spend some huge money to explore something new. Next, when it comes to pricing, the 8128GB is priced for 90,000 and 8256GB is priced for 95,000. That's it for today. Hope you'll find today's video useful for you. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.